Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a vlog in my Airbnb in the closet. We're leaving our Airbnb in like a few minutes, but I wanted to do a little mini haul for you guys because I went to the outlet and my ear's been itchy because it's so cold here. But I want to do a little haul because I can't bring all these bags with me. I gotta stuff it in my luggage, so I thought I'd show you guys what I got real quick. So let me show you guys what I got. So the first store I went to is Columbia, and it's like a weather sports store. So I got these. Sorry guys, I got distracted showing you guys what I got at my haul. But I don't think I've ever showed you guys my puppy. So her name is Nutella. She's right here. She's right here. Hey girl. I'll show you guys her right now. Come here puppy. She's like a shrimp. Oh my gosh. I can never catch her. Hold on. Be cute. So this is Nutella. This is my puppy. She's, I think, 4 months old. She is a female and she is a Maltese Yorkie. And she's the cutest thing in the world. Say hi, Nutella. Hi. So this is her. She's so cute and fluffy. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Okay, bye. Anyway, getting back to my haul. So I was saying, I got these joggers and they're really comfortable, and I believe these are like a thermal type of joggers. They're gonna keep me warm in the cold weather. This is usually used for like the snow time, but it doesn't really snow in California where I live at, so I just thought these were a good deal. So I got these for $30, but it went down to $7 because it's Black Friday weekend / Cyber Monday today, so steal. And then I actually made a little bit of time to go to just one cosmetic store. They don't have a brand, but it's called a cosmetic company and everything's like 50 to 70% off. So I got the Smashbox Photo Finish spray, and I'm halfway finishing mine, and this is really cool because it smells like citrus orange. And I wanted to buy this at Sephora the other day, but I didn't feel like paying $30 for it. So it was $27, but that's okay. It smells so good. It smells like an orange citrus. It's not strong, which I really appreciate that she did. But it's not subtle, you know what I mean? So it's just like a fresh air of citrus. And it's a primer. Really easy to use. But I just got one makeup item for myself, but everything else is wearable because I needed new clothes, so yeah. Next I went to True Religion. So I got some Berry jeans that I've been wanting. So I got like these light, I got these light wash jeans. You can see them. And they just like have the letter U. And I've been, what is it? What is it? What? So these are the Capri what are these called? Curvy Capri, Dusty, Indio Destroyed. They're just like some lit one jeans, and I really like how they're styled, and I can pair these with anything. And I really like the buttons on the back of these jeans. And these are only $30, but originally they were at, yes, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want to do? These are originally $220, but they were on sale, so gotta get that steal. And I just really like how they're distressed on the bottom, and I really love that. What is it, Boosh? I don't know. She's like acting weird. Hi. What's wrong? This is honestly a failed haul because everybody keeps talking to me and I keep getting distracted by my puppy right here. So the last place that I went to is the Adidas store. So I went to the Adidas store and I got 2 shirts. So this is just a plain goatee black and white Adidas shirt right here. I've been wanting one for like the longest time, and these are on sale for $6. So I thought it was a really good deal. And then I got the white version of it because I don't have that much white items in my closet, and I just decided to get more white items, which is pretty dope. So yeah. Then the last thing, oh, it's not the last thing, but the other thing I got, are these leggings, and these are like some nylon stretchy leggings. Yeah, what? Some nylon stretchy leggings, and then they just have the Adidas logo on the bottom, and it's like the stretchy putty texture to them. And these are only $20. Oh no, $28. So I thought that was such a good deal. What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah, she just wanted to be carried. Aw, okay. What's wrong? Mind you, she's still a puppy, so like she needs a lot of attention. Hi. Hello. Okay. So I got these, and then the next item I wanted to show you guys, it's actually right here. It's like a mini tripod. Are these shoes? I love you. Okay, let me get the shoes. So I think I'm just gonna hold my phone for this. So these are some Adidas shoes. These are the Adidas CF Advantage. So they're kind of like the Adidas Superstar, but just way cheaper. You know what I mean? So let me just take them out of the box so I can show you guys what they look like. Okay, so they're basically white and black. They look like the Superstars, but they're not. Oh my god, ow. So they're the Superstars, let's see, right here. And the only difference is their cloud foam. So their inside soles is like very thick, like a cloud, and it's very soft, like a memory foam type of thing. So I believe these are for people who have sensitive soles on their feet, but I didn't really care. I just wanted white Superstars for the longest time, but I didn't really want to pay full price for them. I just got these because they're so cute, and the back is really pretty, and I really like the little cloud foam thingy here because, you know, I love the color yellow. It's my aesthetic. So yeah, these are probably the third pairs of white shoes I've gotten this year, because I've been wearing white a lot and it gets really dirty easily, and I know it does, but they're so pretty and cute. They just make me feel so fresh and cool. But yeah. Okay, so that is everything I got for this little mini haul, and we're gonna leave soon, but I wanted to introduce you guys to my puppy. Hi. So yeah, what's wrong? I want to go now? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog of a haul. I'm in Vegas still, but we're leaving tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video coming really soon. I think I might vlog really quick my food we're having for dinner. We're going to this really cool Thai place in Vegas, and it's really good. So I'll see you there probably.
Take a picture of it before we skip that.
Oh, but my outro. Thank you guys for watching my video so much, and I appreciate it. And I'll talk to y'all later. Say bye, Nutella. Bye.